Hey Tina, is it you? Oh Priya, how are you? It's been a long time. I am fine. What about you? Yes, we last met during the board exams. I am good too. What are you doing now? Well, I have started my undergraduate study in English honors at St. Xavier College in Mumbai. Wow, you finally got to study the subject you loved the most in school? True. What about you, Priya? Was not history your favorite subject? You guessed it right. I took up history honors in Lady Sri Ram College for women in Delhi. Tina, that's nice. I am so happy for you. I am happy for you too. Let's meet up again soon. Yes, sure. We have a lot to catch up on. Bye for now. I have to pick up my sister from tuition. Take care. Bye. We'll see you soon.